Are you one of those people who thinks that being a life insurance agent is a profession? You know, like being a doctor, lawyer, or chartered professional accountant. No, I certainly understand the thinking here. Let's be honest, they must all be competent and skilled. They must have integrity and adhere to a strict code of conduct and ethics. They are all regulated. They must all be licensed. They are all accountable for their actions. Yeah, so it seems entirely obvious that being an agent is a profession. But may I explain the critical difference here? It's about how they work. You know, when you want medical advice, legal advice, or qualified accounting advice, you must see a doctor, lawyer, or a CPA. Only their advice qualifies when it means the most, say like in a hospital, courtroom, or with the tax man. So being a doctor, lawyer, or accountant is actually a demand occupation. People need their work because it is mandated and really can't be done on your own. Now, to be sure, agents must act just as professionally, but no one needs them until it's usually too late and they are likely uninsurable. Being an agent is not a demand business. There is no mandate for them, their product, or their service. People must want what they do, and agents must uncover that want. But the professions are presented with medical, legal, or accounting needs all the time. Clients contact the professions for help. Agents, on the other hand, must find contacts to help and then do business. Agents must be professional, but they are not professionals. That's why the business of being an agent is so very different from operating a professional practice. And you know what? That's absolutely okay. God bless, and I'll see you again next week.